Downer, through various entities, has been in the manufacturing space for well over 40 years. Our focus originally was electrical switchboards, but since then we've diversified into many manufacturing capability scopes.
The end product here is one that's going to get delivered to Santos in some of their development in Queensland. And that project was originally sourced with our business unit of oil and gas. And that collaboration piece between our business units is something we really want to encourage.
It's really important to us that we're seen as a trusted partner by our customers. And we felt that we could help lower their production costs by providing an end-to-end solution from manufacturing right through to site installation. To do this, we had to bring different parts of Downer together to deliver the project in the most efficient way.
With this latest tender with Santos, it has allowed us to showcase the bigger offering that Downer has, from fabrication of MCC cabinets, installation of their well pad infrastructure and logistics.
I'm from a trade background and I'm delighted that we're doing manufacturing of this standard and this scale in our company. Santos, our client, has taken us forward to manufacture this product in Australia as opposed to an overseas service provider.
The amount of collaboration involved in this project has really gone to the next level. We've managed the workload and also the amount of logistics that are involved with that has made this project world class.
Throughout the project we used apprentices to assist with our tradespeople. We peaked at 10 apprentices at any one time. Their roles included making cables, helping the tradesmen in general, mounting equipment panels and preparing the cabinets for transport.
All the skills they'll pick up through this project will be able to be transferred across to the industry for many years to come.
I'm a leading hand on the Santos project. The Santos job has given me the opportunity to lead a project for the first time while training some apprentices on the job.
I'm a first-year electrician here at Downer and I'm really grateful to be a part of a job as diverse as Santos. It's given me future skills which I can carry throughout my career.
As a first-year electrical apprentice, I didn't know much about the hands-on side of the trade, but now I'm comfortable using tools and installing devices thanks to my work on Santos.
Being my first year as an apprentice at Downer, I've been lucky to have worked on Santos. I've met some great people and had a lot of fun, but also learnt the basics of my electrical trade.
I really enjoyed working on these boards as it's really taught me a lot of the skills required to be an electrician.
I've been working on the Santos job for 12 months. Since the start of the project, we have implemented many initiatives to increase productivity.
The most enjoyable part for me working on the Santos switchboard is a variety of work, from lifting in pans to interconnected wiring to control wiring and testing switchboards following all safety protocols and procedures.
This opportunity has been terrific for Santos as well as for Downer as a whole, in that we've been able to create a long-term relationship that's been mutually beneficial. We've really helped Santos out in reducing some of their interfaces and taking away some of their pain points. And for Downer, we've created some internal relationships between power generation and the oil and gas sector.
The collaboration efforts between oil and gas and manufacturing to get this portion of works up and running shows that Downer can offer not only excellence in manufacturing, but in turnkey solutions for clients.
We've really set ourselves up for a long-term journey with Santos for the next 20 or 30 years, and one that we're very excited about.
I hope this is one of many manufacturing opportunities that showcase the strength of Downer.